Meow, meow, meow. Welcome to Nick's cat film.
This is Nacho. I wanted to do a discussion on cats, and of course I had to include Nacho, because of his crazy film last week. But what was it about, and why did it include cats? We'll get to that shortly.
1, 2, 3, 4, chipara. 1, 2, 3, 4, chipara.
This week I wanted to do a simple project amidst the technological problems which astrologers pertain to the current Mercury retrograde phase. Mercury appears to slow down, causing tension and communication breakdowns, but this only happens for a short period every year. And did you like Nacho's film about cats?
Nachos about cats. Nachos already is a cat. Is a like, how can I say, very naughty cat, jumping everywhere, shouting everywhere. Is a kind of cat.
Yes.
And I am trapped in a loop. Matteo keep killing me every time.
Yes,
Matteo
you are
and-
like in a... All time Matteo is killing you.
Yeah, all the time, in every lifetime.
It's like... It's not very explicit. Matteo, the other Matteo appears.
Ah, that's another Matteo. But
Yeah.
they're both called Matteo.
Yes, but when the Uruguay man is like with you así and you go out, you escape, and then Matteo appears.
Matteo Chili's character was the same as Matteo from Uruguay. They were both called Matteo. Coincidence? His film worked like this, with accidental superpositions and freaky coincidences. Nacho's film concerned time loops and quantum reality. For him, the cat was subtle and multifaceted, an inherent trickster or jester figure. People always found Nacho's films challenging to understand.
I don't know how to explain chipara because it's a different sense for different people. So it's like a demon that we have like always try to fuck off us. But in the dialogue, you see chipara lives in you. Chipara is a side of maybe of us that live with us, and I don't know, and
Una mina in bocca ti faccio. Mao, cazzo, Mao. Muoio. Falco di merda. Gatto. Vedi quell'altro dietro che figo. Ma è bellissimo. Nick. Nick, look.
I know. It's his friend or girlfriend.
Ma quanto è bello così.
I think he's gay.
But this was not the first time I met this cat.
Son. And Crispin shall ne'er go by from this day until the ending of this day! Let's go!
Have you seen this video where they kill all the gingers? The MIA one.
Excellent. Yeah, no, I think it was another
Seppelliscono con la loro morte l'odio dei genitori. I terribili casi del loro amore segnato dalla morte e l'invidia prolungata dei loro genitori, alla quale nulla potrà mettere fine se non la morte dirà.
I have to go to the bathroom. Come with me. I'm thinking. Just a second.
You're in the ladies' bathroom.
Fuck! I'm gonna very quick.
What are you doing in the ladies' bathroom?
Checking YouTube.
1, 2, 3, 4, miau, 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 miau.
Hi guys, I hope that you enjoy Nick's cat film. That's all for today. Meow 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 meow.